My name is Karen Martis. I am the owner of Lash Blvd and creator of Lash Like a Pro online training course, an online eyelash extensions course that can get you certified from the comfort of your home. On today's video, I am going to talk to you about the pros and the cons of owning your own eyelash extensions business. As you know, there's a lot of controversy when it comes to opening up your own business, whether you should do it or you should not do it. And I think that's a very personal decision. When it comes to owning your business, there's a lot of things to consider. One is going to be your financials. Well, if you own your own business and you are doing really well, you will have financial freedom, right? You're able to make great money. The sky is the limit. So basically, if you can create a way where you can generate multiple streams of revenue, not just money from services, because then you will have a ceiling on your income. But if you can develop products of eyelash extensions, like I develop my own line of products, we sell anything from glues, tweezers. It's more of a passive income that we can get in our industry. Also trainings. I became an instructor. We register a school with the Department of Education. So these things also help the business continue to grow, and it helps its revenue. It helps the company do much better financially. If you are willing to take all these responsibilities, then by all means, go for it. But if your business is not doing that well, just know that you're going to be working a lot of hours without getting paid. It was probably about a month before I could pay myself a decent salary. Not a high salary where I was able to travel or buy everything I wanted, but it was a very decent salary where I was able to pay my rent, pay my bills, and not have to stress about it too much. So if you're able to ride about 8 months to a year, then by all means go for it. You have to be very careful, because if you're not well versed in running a business, well, unfortunately, about 50% of eyelash extension businesses fail. So it's something to consider. Sometimes maybe to get started, you might want to work for someone, get your experience, learn how to run the business, and then you can experiment owning your business. But even with that, it doesn't guarantee the success. Your independence and flexibility. As a business owner, if you are doing really well, you will have a lot of flexibility. You will have enough time to spend time with your family, enough time to do the things that you love to do the most, or time to spend on the things that really matter. Like for me, it's spending time on developing new products, on testing new products, on contacting new suppliers, on making our trainings much better. This is where I want to spend my time. When you are building a business that generates multiple streams of revenue, then you have that advantage. Remember, when you are behind a chair doing services, you will hardly have any time to do anything else. And if you're not taking clients, how are you going to be making money, right? So if you go on vacation, that means that you're not getting paid, but the bills on your business are still running and the bills for your home are still running. So now you have generated extra expenses for yourself. So you want to be very careful with that. Now let's talk about personal growth. When you are your own boss, you tend to invest more on your education, on the things that really matter to you and are important for your business to help it grow. Always think about investing your gains into the business again so you continue to grow. You don't start making real money probably until the 3rd or 4th year of running your business. And even then, you have to be financially savvy and make sure that your expenses in your company are really tight so you can get paid much better. At the same time, all this education is coming out of your pocket. So you have to be very careful in what you really need to spend this money on. But don't be hesitant about spending in education. Don't be cheap when it comes to investing in your education, because sometimes those little things that you will learn are the things that are going to take your business to the next level. Like we hire a coaching program to help us run our spa here in Denver, and I'm going to tell you, our sales grew by about 30 to 40% in the first month. So wouldn't I have invested in that, my business wouldn't have growth. So yes, it is an expensive investment, but you know what? It gets paid 10 times more. And now I feel like I am more well versed in this type of industry, in this business, we can generate more money. I feel better financially. The company is doing much better financially. I can pay our employees much better as well. The difference of personal growth when you're working in your own business or if you're employed with someone, of course, if you are working for someone, most likely they will provide that education, they will train you on the things that are important for their business, not necessarily your business. So those are the things that you need to consider, whether you want to be employed for someone and learn or start from scratch and pay for your education. I hope this video had brought some value to you and can help you take your business or your decision to the next level, whether it is that you need that extra push to take the next step to open up your lash business, or maybe you need to take more time and try to figure out things much better. Well, thank you for watching. For more information and other videos in the industry, don't forget to visit lashblvd.com. You can also click the link on our bio that will take you directly to our website where we have a lot of video and free education. And any product questions, feel free to send me a direct messages. We do answer